It's easy to find one such plastic stool in many households, and while they can be pretty handy, let's admit they look ugly and can just ruin any kind of interior. So I found a way to turn one such plastic stool into something which can actually enhance the decor of the house while still be functional. And what is more, this solution is budget friendly and eco friendly as well.
Hello everyone, welcome to NRtistStudio. My name is Rahman, and in this video I'm going to tell you how I turned my old plastic and ugly looking one stool into something which is aesthetically pleasing and has now enhanced a corner of my house. And I made this transformation happen by just using one major supply, which is jute twine, along with some glue, of course. And before we move ahead with this process, I would really love you all to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any more such videos coming from my side on this channel. Also, please leave some comments for me on the videos, because I would really appreciate your feedback so that I can improve my content for you all. And I hope you enjoy the process, so let's begin it.
So I'm going to share with you an easy, eco-friendly and budget-friendly way to create a corner table from an old plastic stool. And I'll be using jute twine or jute rope to do that. So I started by untangling the jute twine roll that I got from a local hardware store and made several rolls out of it for the ease of working. This process really took me a while, so keep that in mind before buying it. Make sure it's knot free, untangled, and you can find the starting head easily. You can also order it from Amazon if you like it, as it will be more convenient. So once that's done, I started covering the legs of the stool one by one. I tied a knot tightly around the top part of the leg, and from there just kept wrapping down until it was fully covered. I used a hot glue gun, but Fevicol will also work just fine in case you do not have the glue gun. You don't need to use the glue with each and every round. You can just fix it after about every inch of coverage. And you also need to ensure that there are no gaps between layers of twine. It's better to glue the twine together after every 3-4 rounds. Watch this video completely because I'll be sharing several tips throughout to make it very easy for you. In the beginning, it looked like a lot of work, but honestly, as I got in the flow, it was really so interesting to indulge, and I found it kind of therapeutic too. It took me about 5 to 6 hours to finish it from the beginning to the end, but more so because I was recording it, so it took kind of longer than normal. So if you watch this video carefully and follow all the instructions, this can actually be done in about 3 to 4 hours depending on your speed. And then you can just simply convert a useless product to a decor item. You can use it for your balcony or garden decor or a corner decor, or maybe just to simply use it for a coffee table or a bedside table in a cost-effective manner. Once all the legs were done, I started doing the top part of the stool. At first, I wasn't sure of whether to use the twine in circular motion or make use of the hole in the center. So I started with the second option first. After experimenting this way for a little while, I realized that it wasn't really going to work. It was a failed attempt. Anyway, I decided to go with the previous method that I had thought before. This time I started covering the top with the jute twine in circular motion. I left a little space around the hole, and soon I will tell you the reason for it. This method seemed to be working really well, and this is how we are going to finish the remaining part also. Now I am going to show you how to cover the hole and what to do with the part that I had left uncovered previously. So you gotta please pay attention here. I'm using that space here to make a coil inside the hole so that we can cover it properly and it looks even. So this is how the end product looks like. If you want, you can go ahead and decorate it with some colorful thread, pom-pom, or laces of your choice. I let it be like this because I like the raw and the earthen feel to it. Do give it a try and let me know how did you like this idea and how did you like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Goodbye for now, and you all have a nice and creative time. Thank you.